Good morning. Fresh back from California. Woo, woo. Disney with the Pampered Chef. I have to tell you, that was my 13th incentive trip that I have been on with the Pampered Chef. Ooh, you got morning hair, guys. This is the best it's going to get today. Anyways, I just wanted to tell you that I am fresh back from California. I've got some great things to share with you. I want you guys to know that we are entering July and we are on track. We have so many things happening for you guys. September, we're going to release new products. We have Carol Radu, our National Sales Director, coming from Texas in August, just for you, for me, for us to sustain and build and grow our bookings and our business. The other thing, too, I wanted to tell you today is the last day of June, and it's going to be important for you to get all of your shows in so you can continue to earn Sellathon. Congratulations to Leslie, Belinda, and Connie. You guys have already earned free product from Pampered Chef in the Sellathon for this month, and don't worry. If this wasn't your month, don't get too excited. July could totally be your month. With $750 or $1,500 in commissionable sales, you can earn free products. So I understand that we've got a pretty big product release coming our way, and I also understand that there's a couple things that are pretty pricey. Now, Carol did tell me on a call the other day that there is one thing that's coming out that's going to change the way we cook. So I don't know what it is, but I know that I want it. I've been with this company for 15 years. I've done a bajillion cooking shows, and I've earned a boatload, if not almost all of my products for free, just by doing shows. So let me help you kind of design a July that's going to work for you. First of all, the number one thing that's happening in this country in July is that it's fixing to be hot, or it is hot. If you live in the South where I live, it's already hot. So Cool Kitchen Cooking is going to be your tag. I really encourage you to talk a lot about that. This is what's on special for our hostesses next month, and I'm going to be talking about the Rock Crock. It happens to be my favorite. The Dutch Oven Rock Crock is on special at 60% off for hosts in the month of July. So I'm going to be doing Cool Kitchen Cooking, and then also some of the tools that they can elect for free with a $70 order is exactly what I'm going to be featuring. So I'm going to be doing a lemon artichoke pasta, which is part of our Cool Kitchen recipes. Check the Facebook page this afternoon for that recipe. And if I'm not going to do the lava, or the artichoke pasta, I'm going to do a lava cake in the microwave in a rock crock, because it's just that wow factor that you're looking for that's going to create those bookings for August. Remember, there's one pick, anything they want at 60% off in August. So whatever that's on their wish list, that could be their go-to for August. So you're kind of setting yourself up for this momentum, booking July, getting into August. The other thing too is you could always do an easy zucchini lasagna. Remember, if you came to Team Time about 3 months ago, we stripped it with the serrated peeler, which is one of the freebies, and then we just added a little bit of garlic, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then like a half of a jar of pasta sauce. Put the top on it, 6 minutes in, and that zucchini turned out feeling just very much like pasta. So that might be something that you offer in your July shows. But now's the time for you to call everybody. Call everybody who ever wanted a rock crock. Or just call people and ask, I wanted to come and cook with you and share my favorite product from the Pampered Chef. I'm eligible to offer it to my hosts at 60% off in the month of July only. So if you're ready, I would love to teach you a new cool recipe for all of these hot days. So we're going to teach you how to cook cool in your kitchen. So anyways, 2 more things. The 13th of July, this month, which is tomorrow, I'm having Team Time. I would love to see you guys. I know that attendance for Team Time has fallen off, and it is kind of a commitment for me to sanction time out of my family and my business to help bring you guys the information. So I really hope that you guys are going to put it on your calendar and that you're going to come. It's a great opportunity for you to bring new consultants to take a look at us and have them check us out as a team. The other thing too is I'm going to teach how to raise your show sale average. I don't know about you, but I always love the fact that I could go out and earn more by doing less work. So if you would like to raise your show sale average, join me on the 13th. That's what I'm going to be talking about. And then again, I need one thing. I need this today, like right after you listen to this video. Please RSVP for August the 4th. Right now I've got about 6 RSVPs. Guys, there's like 70 something of you left, and I would love to have at least half of you in attendance. Carol is going to bring us a home office training right from the home office. It's like a mini conference, and it's free to you. All you got to do is show up and bring a dish to pass. Ridiculously easy. I'm hearing a lot of people say that Tuesday night's not a good night, and I really want you guys to know I went to the floor for us, and I really, really, really went toe-to-toe with Carol trying to get her here on a weekend. It just didn't work in her schedule. We would have had to wait till like November, and I just didn't want you guys to be hungry for this information until November. So this is a big wig. This is the Nationals. They don't get any higher than that. They are like right at the home office level. She's got the cusp of all the newest information with the Pampered Chef, and you're going to want to be here. She's going to talk extensively about booking shows, how to get shows at your shows, how to bank 2 shows no matter what at every single shows, the words to say, the behaviors to follow, the actions, the timeline, the follow-up, everything you need to do to get shows at shows, have bookings, and even if you don't have one show on your calendar right now and you're not feeling it, this is even more for you, okay? Because we have really got down to the grassroots of this as a business, and we're going to show you how to book shows. So no matter whether you're just like banging it out and you're at the top of your game, or you're just struggling, or you're not even in the game yet, or fell out of the game, this is for you. So August the 4th, Carol Radu, I'm going to call each and every one of you personally. So look for a call from me this coming week, and I'm going to personally invite you to join us here in Nashville, Georgia. Remember, we've got 3 other director teams coming, so I hope you plan to be here. Book your babysitters, plug your husband in, whatever you need to do. Nanas, papas, aunts, uncles, cousins, trade somebody for childcare right now, whatever it needs to look like. Plan to be with us. It's going to be crazy amazing. We're going to have new product reveal 5:30 to 6:25. I'm hoping the other directors will share some of their new earned products so we can have some new product raffles, but you got to be here and you got to RSVP to be in the drawing. So anyways, so many great things. Thank you for another amazing month. I'm super excited for you. Congratulations to those of you that have earned the Sellathon, and congratulations to those of you that are stepping on it and you're going to pick them up next month. I'll see you on the 13th, and then again, don't forget your RSVP for the 4th of August. Mwah.